But I'm so skeptical. It's because minsan, di ba, kung anong pinagdaanan, it's parang personal sa life mo. At the same time, ako yung taong iyakin. So sabi ko ayoko kasi it end up of, ruin your day maybe. But anyway, privilege ko rin today dahil sabi ko 2025 na. I think, something change happened. And maybe the first year is to share with you. Ito po yung isang bless kasi I know that all of you, maybe you can get something from my experience. So, i-start ko po, hindi ko alam gamitin to but I'll try.
Left and right lang.
Okay. So, ako po si Leia. I'm turning 50 this coming year. So, mag-50 na ako, mag-golden na ako. So, eventually, I'm wishing na before 50th, mag-for good na rin ako this year. Kasi yung anak ko, he's graduating this year din sa university. So, ang aking experience started when it was 2018, like 2 years before pandemic, na I was diagnosed having cervical cancer. And that time, I'm so shocked dahil unang-una, sabi ko, healthy person naman ako. I do gym, I do yoga. I was like 52 kilos. So, I said, yun nga, I feel so, parang hindi ko maintindihan that time. So, of course, if anyone gonna be like, diagnosed as cancer, what you gonna think? What you gonna say? Parang ang daming questions sa mind ko. But that time, parang hindi ko kinasyan sigaw. Because I know everything happened for a reason. So, pinagdaanan ko lahat ng sakit na yon. I'm not knowing Santi yet kasi that time, I started 2020 sa Santi Barley and I was diagnosed 2018. Pero, ang pinagdaanan ko, hindi ko nga alam kung paano ko yung sakit, yung pain, I don't even know. But, nag-go through ko po yun. Nag-chemotherapy ako plus radiation. So, imagine having chemotherapy plus radiation. I didn't lose my hair that time because it was cervical. So, hindi daw siya affected. And it was 1 month kasi ang radiation, it takes a month actually, and you need to stay in the hospital. So may hotel kami dun sa Alina ko na sa Tawang, which is blessing sa God na napasok po ako doon. Pinagdaanan ko po yun lahat for a month. And even now, I'm thinking paano ko po natagumpayan lahat na yon? Because of course, I understand that with the love, prayers of my family definitely, friends, malaking tulong po talaga yun.
Yes.
But my story didn't end from there. After 2 years, it was metastasized. So imagine, after 2 years, nagka-cancer ka uli at it goes in my lungs. So it was horrible, but still the faith with me. Diba? Sabi nga, kapit lang ng kapit. Because I know, alam ko na, kung binigyan ako ni Lord ng ganun, alam niya kaya ko, diba? Nakayanan ko ngayon 2 years. At doon ko po nakilala si Sandy. Si Sandy sa blessings sa buhay ko po. Hinanap ko po siya talaga. And it was pandemic kasi remember, nagkakatok po ako sa pinto, wala pong tao kasi pandemic that time. And I remember also, kuya, na nagnanak ako, sabi niya, no, you cannot buy kasi hindi nga ako member and it was closed and you need to find someone. And thanks God, si Kuya John po. He is also one of the blessing in my life. I love him. At napakabait ni Lord. Actually, ni-reach niya ako imagine, people reach you for something. And he told me everything. I learned a lot about Sunday. And the good thing about it, it's not just about me na nakatulog yung Sunday, but for my family. Ang laki po, dahil lahat ng pamilya ko halos may diabetic, and just I found out na ganun yung mga sakit nila. So, sabi ko kay Kuya, I need to be, kailangan ko gawin to. Kasi diba, in every situation, you should be open-minded kasi sometimes yung tao, diba, pag sinabi mo or they approach you about something, parang wala lang. But then, why not? Diba? Something is organic, natural. Why not to try? Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, yung baba, pipigilan ko pa ang sarili ko. So that time when I tried my second chemo, sa Tawang uli, yun yung nawala talaga ako ng buhok. So, yan po ako. Ang ganda ko, di ba? So, mas makinis ako dyan eh. It's because that time, I'm using 6 times, yun na nagtitake ako ng barley before my chemo, 6 times a day. So, ganun po talaga yung result niya. Even me, people or friends or, my colleagues was asking me, bakit to ang kinis ng skin ko that time? Siguro din, And I realized that time, oo nga no, kasi normally after radiation, what happened is, nasusunog yung balat mo, di ba? And for me, ang change sa akin different, yung result is different. So, nag-go through ko talaga yun hanggang sa 6 chemo ko. And, alam niyo sa totoo lang, ang dami ko natutulungan. Sabi ko nga, maybe God given me this, you know, this kind of sickness. It's because, you know, people will learn from me, not just my people around, but my family itself. Imagine mo, sa first week ko sa Santi, nag-franchise ako sa Philippines. Kaagad-agad, as in a week. Kuya, right? Builder franchise. I don't care anymore. Sabi ko, ang iksi ng buhay. Life is like, ganun lang pala. Paano pag nawala ko that time? So, this is the moment. Sabi ko, i-go through ko na yon. Nag-franchise ako. After few months, actually, yung anak ko, nag-franchise din dito sa Dubai. So, parang ako, nagiging happy ko na yung Santi. Parang na-enjoy ko na. So, you know, because this is what happened. This is the result, di ba? Bakit ko pigilan yung sarili ko? And then, this is Kuya, na bumibit sa, tingnan niyo yung, ito yung si Kuya, nung that time na, nagpipresent ka yata Kuya, then si all my families, they're very supporting with me. Tapos, okay, dyan muna tayo para makita niyo yung kalbo kong buhok. So, yun po yung result ng Sante. So, after po nun, sa second ko na chemo, yun na po yung hindi ko po talaga makayanan. Yun na po yung gumagamit ako ng Sante kasi, yung first chemo ko hindi ko na makayanan, sorry. In the second chemo, I never felt anything. Nung nagtitake ako ng 6 times a day, believe me, I'm driving alone going to LA.
Wow.
Even myself, hindi ko alam. I just, amazing. And dahil sa pandemic yun, it was 2020, at di ba na-block lahat ng mga borders sa LA? There are cancer patient in Satwa. I'm bringing